Thank you. My name is Ajala. One thing about me is that I love students doing well. I mean, really doing well, excelling in their studies. And I'm ready to do anything good in my capacity in order to achieve that. That's why I'm putting all these videos together. My direct students, they are benefited really from these videos, and I felt that let's extend it to the whole world. So this is ICT explanatory solution, where the problems are being solved in a very cool, calm and collected manner, step by step, line by line, precept upon precept, so you can get everything. This is more than a tutorial. This is one-on-one classroom experience, so you can relate with this, you can use it to solve the problems, and I'm sure you will get everything. Sometimes I simulate the common problems and then we show the answers also. So we are done with the task 1, 2. You can check the first video for that on document production, as the case may be. Now we want to deal with this database. I'm a CIE examiner, so I mark ICT, IGCSE, so I know some of the areas you need to concentrate on, and then some things to note. Okay, a trainee is developing a database for Tawara cruises. So you're welcome. Let's continue together. You're going to create some report, blah 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 blah. Now all these stories, currency, values, display the currency sign of your choice, 2 decimal places. You have to note these. They may not repeat themselves again. So note that correction sign, 2 decimal places. Examine this. Okay, you can use other software to examine that, but I assure you close them when you're done. Using a suitable database, import the file cruises.csv. Okay, I'll be using this blank database. Save this in your work area consciously. Don't just say create. Save it in your work area consciously. Let's call it SO Ajala, November 2017 database. Okay, so that is saved. In case of any eventuality, I can quickly go to my folder and open it. Okay, so this is the default table. I don't need you close. I said close. Okay, it's close. You just have to obey me. I'm the teacher here. Okay, I'm importing cruises. Okay, you go to external data under import, new data source from file, test file. CSV is a test file, and it is a generic file type for databases and spreadsheets. Okay, plain, we call it plain text. It has no color, no formatting, just plain. Okay, cruises, where are you? Okay, here am I. Click me. Okay, next. First row contains field names. From here you go to advanced, and then change the Boolean alone, adult only. That's the only Boolean we have. Change the Boolean, which is adult only, change this to yes or no from here. And then let's check this. Look at this date. Check the date. This is DDMMMYY. Okay, DDMMMYY. Now check the day. When you are importing, check the date so that you don't have import error. See the date. I have DMY. So ensure that yours is DMY. I repeat, DMY. If you have another thing which is not DMY from what you have here, date, month, year, by the time you are done with your importing, you'll be getting import error. So DMY, I'm good to go. Are you good to go? Yes, I'm good to go. Good to go. Are you motivated? Yes, Motivated, motivated, motivated. Okay, next. They said, do not create a primary key. Don't go and do what we call over syllabus here. Do not create a primary key. If you look at this place, you see that this liner code is not primary key. The fields are not unique. So they said, do not create, do not create. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So we're moving forward. Design view. So let's finish the rest. Test date. Test date format dd YYY. Date format dd dd YYY. Okay, YY, yeah, dd YY dash in between. Yeah, that's it. Test numeric integer, numeric currency, don't forget, choose your symbol. How many decimal places again? Did you say 2? Okay, if you said 2, you are correct. Okay, daily costs, currency, 2 decimal places, numeric integer, adult only, Boolean, yes or no. So we should show this. I love to show my evidence with 2 decimal places shown. Then show evidence of this. Copy evidence. Okay, that's done. Okay, thank you. You will not be lost. I know what I'm doing. Is anything lost? Nothing is lost. Nothing is lost. So we are correct. The second table, standard data from file, test file again. What's the name? Liners. Okay, let's import as a new table. Next, first row contains this. Next, any primary key, liner code as primary key. Liner code is primary key. Next, finish. Okay, close. Okay, relationship between the liner code. Okay, relationship, that's database tools. Relationships. Add the first table. Add the second table. Close. Separate these two. I want to conduct a wedding ceremony for them. Liner code. Come here. In your hands. I join this one. Okay, relationship. One to many. Create. Okay, show evidence of this. I'll show evidence that it is one to many. Come back here. Right click. Do as if you want to edit their relationship. And then show this screen. To show the complete evidence. You must know how to show correct evidence. Okay. Thank you. Now you may kiss the bride. Key field evidence. I must have jumped something. evidence 4. Oh, I just did evidence 5. Please don't do like me. Read the instructions very well. I knew something was wrong. So evidence 5 is what we just did in a relationship. Show evidence showing the liner code field as a primary key field. So we need to show that liner code design view primary key. So see the key here. So show evidence that that's your primary key. Press screen. So you have to show the key. Copy. That's evidence 4. Key field shown here. Okay, that's done. Okay, create a data entry form which will include all fields from the crucis table, allowing the user to select the liner code data from a drop down list. Okay, so we're going to do that now, but I'm going to create a simple table called liner code, and I have liner code. Let's see this. So liner code is from 01 to 21, CL01 to 21. Okay, so I have that. So we are creating a form. We're creating a form wizard for which table includes all the fields from the crucis table. So let's go to the crucis table, all the fields. Okay, next. So I have this allow the user to select the liner code data from a drop down list. Let's convert this to a drop down list. Change to combo box. So this is change to combo box. And the combo box, what should be the row source? The row source should be from liners. So the row source is from liner, and you select the liner code because that's where we have the code. Okay, close. So it's saved. So our row source now is the liner code field from the N17 liners table. Okay, liner code field, that's our row source. So let's do validation, limit to list, so nobody can type another thing, so you can only pick from there. Okay, insert your evidence documents to show the drop down list displaying some of the liner codes. Okay, so we can't do that here. We have to go to the form view and then just show this. So we have CL01 to 21. So let's just select some of them. Should I just line up code, then pick this, copy, and then selection evidence here, evidence 6. Okay, that's evidence 6. Okay, use the form creator instance to add the following record. Okay, new record. This is new blank record. Okay, have this CL03 carnival Carnival Glory. Carnival Glory. Okay. 18 December 17. Eastern Caribbean 10 105.75, is that correct? Yeah, 2974. You need good memory here. Just ensure you go back and forth to see that you are correct. Don't try to memorize something and then you just miss it. That will not be nice. Okay, check your data entry for errors, save the data. Okay, place in your video documentation showing the data in your form. So I'll show this showing the data in my form. Okay, copy. Paste there. Okay, now we are done with all the preambles. So we can save and close all. Okay, great. Now some students will see this and they want to faint. No, you don't need to faint. Just little by little you finish it. How do you finish a pot of rice? Do you swallow everything at the same time? No, just small spoon. It's one by one. Before you know it, you finish everything. Okay, using field from both tables. Okay, that's from the relationship we have created, the marriage we have conducted. You were witnesses and I was the minister in charge. So let's use that relationship to bring children to that family. Using field from both tables, produce a report that contains a new field called total cost. Now before you produce a report, you must produce a query first. And there are two things we are going to do here concerning the query. Number one is the calculation at runtime. Where is run? Okay, see, calculation at runtime. Query. Select only those records. Select only those records. That's query also. Selection of some records from many of them. So will be these first two bullet points, as the case may be, will be done in query. Okay, so step by step, create explanatory manner, query wizard, simple query wizard. The relationship we created, just select everything from the first two tables, or you ensure that at least one of the fields, at least a field is present from the two tables, then the relationship will be created. So why not everything? Oh no, everything from the second table. Yeah, so the relationship will be created. Next, modify. Okay, let me call it first query like this. Finish. Okay, I will be simulating some problems here. Destination is 8 or more. I want to leave this for now. 8 or more. Destination 8 or more is greater than, that's more, is equals to 8. That's greater than, equals to 8. Let's say run and see destination, whether that is correct. Destination, where are you? Oh, what did I do? Duration is 8 or more, not destination. Duration. Design view again. So not you. Control X. Duration. Duration is 8 or more. And that's still not correct. Okay, let's go back. Design view. Something is wrong. delete duration greater than equals to 8. Okay, so that's correct. Design view again is 8 or more. Adult only is no. Adult only is no. No. Run. Adult only is no. Duration is 8 or more. Okay, I have about 83 records now. Now the last one, or the first one as the case may be, design view. I really like my student to know destination is in the Caribbean. Destination is in the Caribbean. Now when you come to this query, let's search for Caribbean. So you see Caribbean, Caribbean. Caribbean being repeated here. So it's in Caribbean. There are some words coming before Caribbean, maybe some, maybe after Caribbean. Okay, mostly before. Destination is in Caribbean, so we're going to use a wide card for that. So destination is in Caribbean means something before Caribbean or Caribbean, as the case may be. Anyhow, you know how to call it. I'm not from there. I'm from Nigeria. There's nothing Caribbean or Caribbean here. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so you can see all the Caribbean, as the case may be, you know, I don't know, 45 records. So we have our query done. That's what I know, just to do the query, not be concerned with Caribbean and the rest. Okay, no offense please, I mean the pronunciation. Okay, so at runtime, calculation at runtime, design view, runtime calculation. What are we calculating? Total costs, total underscore cost, column, total cost. This field will calculate the total cruise cost by multiplying the duration by the daily cost. Duration in a square bracket, duration, asterisk, daily cost. These are fields, you put them in a square bracket, daily underscore cost. So you can see daily cost, duration. Let's run it. Okay, let's see. So that's correct. You can multiply 14 by 10620. You get this, and it has inherited the currency and the decimal places. Okay, so design view again. Sorry, daily cost. Okay, to format. I just want to be sure. I want to do my own to ensure that nothing is going to change. Okay, that is done. Good morning, Nigeria. Okay, good morning, world. Okay, that is done. So we are done with the query. We can save it and then close it. Thank you, first query. I'm going to use you now. So we're going to use that query now for our report. So 1 is done, 2 is done. Show study the fields. Okay, we're going to show create report wizard. Report wizard. Okay, so we're using our first query. I'm going to show this field. Sale date, where are you? So the vessel name, where are you? Embark, destination and cruise line, destination, cruise line, duration, daily cost, daily costs, and total cost. I want to sign a note of warning, even if they don't put and total cost there, since total cost was calculated at runtime and they say contains, so it has to be whatever you calculate at runtime will be in your report, except it wasn't stated categorically in this order with data and labels fully displayed. Okay, so total cost, next, I'm not doing anything again, next. Please, ascending, descending, don't do it here. If not, it's going to scatter the order of the arrangement of the field. So nothing here, again, nothing here. Don't worry, nothing is wrong. Okay, orientation is what? Landscape, tabular, modify. So let's this is done. I'm going to do this now. Caribbean festive. Okay, let's put that in. Caribbean festive wages. Okay, at the top, finish. Any mistake? Typing? No. Okay, so we are in the design view of the report now. Calculate the average duration and display this as an integer below the duration column. So come to duration here and total average. Okay, so that is done for us. Let's expand this. As a label to the left of this number, average night. So pick a label called average night with an S. Okay, it has to be at the left. Okay, as an incident account number at the bottom of the report, that is the page footer, not report footer. Page footer will ensure that your details are shown at the bottom of all the pages. SO Ajala NG077 from the honorable country called Nigeria and West Africa. Okay, my details will show there. The bottom. Okay, fit on a single page wide. There is an evidence I need to show. Evidence is showing the formula used to calculate the average duration. Okay, I need to show this evidence. Okay, print screen. I pick this evidence. Onward, Christian soldier, marching as you are. Okay, don't mind my voice. The voice of a warrior. Formula screenshot here. Okay, that's done. So I'm done with evidence 8. Okay, I don't want to keep going back and forth. That's why I'm just doing that now. Okay, ascending and then descending. So we'll do it here. Group and sort. Add a sort. Duration ascending. The first one is duration and ascending. Duration ascending, smallest to largest is ascending. Yeah. Then descending order of sale date, descending, sale date, where are you? They say you are descending. Oldest to newest Yes, that's descending. Oldest to newest is descending. Newest to oldest is ascending. Oldest to newest. So I'm okay like this. So this is where you do that. So this is done. All the labels are showing. Okay, let's go to layout view and ensure that everything is showing. Okay, not everything is showing here. Okay, okay, let's expand this everything at the same time. Okay, I'm coming back there. You move to the side. So okay, everything is showing there now. Is everything showing here? No hashtag. You're not hashtagging anything here. Whatever hashtag you see here is 0. Okay, yeah, anything. Okay, everything is showing there. Oh, okay, let's take time to adjust it, because if you print it out and some data they are not showing, that's what I call a beautiful nonsense. So take time to ensure that everything is showing so you don't do beautiful nonsense. Okay, la 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 la. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, everything is showing, and this has to be under duration. Average night. Please come closer to your friend. You cannot leave him alone at the time of needs. So come to the left hand side. Let them see that you are the left hand side. Okay, average. Calculate the average duration and display this as an integer below the duration column. So it's displayed below the duration column, but this is not an integer, so I need to work on this. So let's go back to design view. This guy, property sheet. I want to simulate a problem here. Design view. Okay, right click on it, properties, format. I want to simulate a problem. Decimal places 0. Now let's see, change the decimal places to 0. Decimal places to 0. Now let's see the report and see if that has taken effect. So you can see we still have how many decimal places. So let me show you how to fix that. Design view again. Don't forget, we'll simulate problems here that students usually face, and then we prefer the solution. Okay, average. So decimal place is 0. Then come to format, pick fixed. So it will fix it to whatever we have chosen here. Okay, report view. Let's see it now. So you can see it fixed. So it's not 12, but it's not under the duration. We have to move it to under duration. Don't forget layout view. Thank you, property sheet. You have done with your ministry. Thank you, You are done with your ministry. My friend, come here. This is where you belong. You don't belong to them there. Okay. So let's see the order of the feeds again and ensure that everything is intact and everything is showing. Seal the vessel name embark. Seal the vessel name embark. Destination cruise line duration. Destination cruise line duration. Daily cost, total cost. Daily cost, total cost. Okay. Currency, two decimal places, everything is showing. Okay, let's do print preview. So you see how it's going to look like. Print preview. Okay, it's 1 page wide. Let's do about 4 pages so you see everything. 4 pages, so I just have 2 pages, and it's 1 page wide, 2 pages tall, and it's looking beautiful. So print out. That's the first printout. Printout 1. Print. Let's simulate the printout with Adobe PDF. Okay, I'll call that printout 1. Save. So that's how it's going to look on paper. My details are showing on page 1. Does it show on page 2? Yes. So that is correct. Okay, I hope you got that. So everything is explanatory. Okay. Now using those fields from the cruises table, produce an extract from the data wish. Select. So extract is just create a query, take your required fields, and then export the query. That's all. Number 1, I said create the query, take your required fields, and export the query. That's the extract. So query wizard again. Simple query wizard from the 2 tables, not from the query you have created. Query from the 2 tables. Next, let's call this second query. Modify the query. Okay. Those cruises which have a destination of Trans-Panama Canal, destination of Trans-Panama, or how do you call it? With a sale date on or after. Sale date. Where is sale date? Okay, on or after. That is equals to or greater than. That's greater than. That's after equals to 10/12/2017. And as Boolean, and on or before. On or before, that is less than, that is before, equals, that is on 24/12/2017, on or before 24/12/2017. So let's run that and see. Okay, sale date, so you can see it's between the 2 dates, and then Trans-Panama Canal. Okay, destination Trans-Panama Canal. So that is correct. So let's go back to our design view. We can show evidence of the criteria you used. So show evidence, enlarge this, so everything is showing. Okay, then take screenshots. We use this and this, so from here to here. Select. Okay, paste it in your evidence document. Selection criteria used here. So that is there. Okay, so we are done with the criteria. Show only the fields vessel name, duration, and sale date in this order. So we just need vessel name. We don't need you. We need duration and sale date. Sale date you are needed. Vessel name is needed. Embark you are not needed. Destination, I'm sorry, we use you for calculation, but you are not needed in the final selection. Duration, so we have the 3 of them. All the rest they are not needed. Sorry, you need to go. You couldn't make it to the final contest, but we appreciate you because you are useful for us. I'm so sorry, the IGCSE did not require you, so what can I do? Okay, vessel name, sale date, and duration. Okay, they made it in this order. Okay, let's run it. Vessel name, sale date, vessel name, duration, and sale date is not in that order. So select this, then click and drag it. So vessel name, duration, sale date in that order now. Sort the sale date in descending order. Sale date descending. So everything is sorted. Sort the sale date in descending order. Place in your now it's done. Save this in a format which can be imported into the document that you saved in step 18. You will need this extract in task 4. Fortunately, we have done that for Word document problem. So this is save this second query. So it's done. Close second query. So we can now export this. Export document in a format that can be used in Word document. That is RTF. Okay, so we are saving it in our folder. Let's open it after saving, so you will see the way it looks, and then you can relate it with what we used, so you can see it. So that is it. So this can be used in our Word document in task 4. Okay, so that is saved. Okay, this relational database uses data stored in 2 tables. Describe your own words still advantage of using relational tables rather than a flat file database. That's evidence 10, 2 marks. Advantages of relational database over flat file database. Okay, so number 1, it takes less storage space on the computer. Number 2, it reduces data entry errors. Number 4, it removes data duplicates in the database. You don't need to start duplicating. Okay, remove data duplicates in the database. Number 4, the database is easier and faster to update. Okay, so that is done. So 2 marks, you have more than 2 there. Tarakusi would like to use social networking to promote their business. Describe in your own words how they can use social networking as a means of communication. Okay, that's evidence 11. They could use it. They can use it to share videos and pictures of their cruises or whatever they are doing. Number 2, they can use it to announce their destinations. Okay, that is done. Total 29, and that is the end of. So we are done with task 4 is already done. Okay, let's do task evidence 12. Oh, my battery is going. Okay, evidence 12 to show it's just talking about advantages of printed newsletters to the ones of the instead of using the internet. Okay, printed okay, let's try. It can be used where there is no internet connection. Could be used at any time once printed. Disadvantages: printing cost is much. Videos, animations cannot be added to printed copies, so you can add other ones there. Okay, that's evidence 12 is done. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I want to really appreciate you for staying with us, and I'm sure everything is well understood. Please continue to like, to share our channel. God bless you. I wish you the very best. Goodbye.